So now we're going to talk about how to create different forms, okay? Because some of you will have actually used different forms that we've done, right? So let's say I go for coding for kids by kids. So we're done. So let's say, no, I don't. So like a site like this right now, you got the registration, right? So the most of you might have filled, right? You have something like that when you have the forms, and some of you might have even filled some forms, registration form. How do you do something like that in your web page, right? So, and I want you to do the same thing, different thing that you can also create form for. You can create form for application. You can create form to even log in. You can create form for different things. So how do we do that? You can use a plugin. It's called Formator, right? I've already added it. Next week, I'm going to show you how to do some plugin, but you don't need to worry about that. So if you need to do that, let me go back and click. Yes, so this is your, so if you go to this site now, yeah, Coda 5, WP admin, it takes you to this point. Then if you scroll down, you see Formator, right? Click on that Formator and you can select form, right? So you can select form, yeah. So that allows you to create any form that you want to create, okay? So if you are following me, you can do the same thing, okay? So you go to your WP admin, click on Formator and click on Forms, okay? Then you click on Create. So that allows you to create any form that you want to create, okay? But this is registration form. If you want to create registration form, you can use this. If you want to create a login form, you can use this. So let's say we want to actually create a registration form to register for things, okay? You click on that and you click on continue. So, and I can call it whatever I want. Let's say this is my user registration, okay? And I can say create, okay? So with this now, you have your username. So you can see, oh, let me close that again. Okay, you see it's got username, email address, and password, like, you know, most registration you will have. If you want to add another field, let's say you want telephone number as well with your registration form, you can insert and say, what do you want? Registration, let's say telephone number. Okay, so you can click on that and click on insert. Okay, so you can put the settings, but let's leave it as standard one. Okay, or you can also go settings, nationality or international, but just leave it like that, yeah, and click on apply. So let's say you want to also add address, okay? Click on insert field and then put address. Okay, that's the address, and click on insert field as well. So as you can see, it's going to say, which one do you want to add? You want to add address with city, with, so we leave everything like that. And you can say apply. So it's going to add your address. And let's leave that right now. So this is our registration form. So it's got username, email, password, phone, and address, okay? So you can preview what you've done, okay? Let's click on preview. So you can see this is a form, right? So this is a sample of what you're going to get and registration, okay? So let me close this one. So, okay. So once you are finished, okay, you can check the appearance, okay? You can check how you want it to appear. Do you want it to be in flat? Do you want it to be bold? So let's say if I say in bold now, if I preview, you're going to see how it's going to turn out. Can you see that? So that's how it's going to look like. If you want it to be materialized, like this, right? If you preview, you're going to see the difference. Can you see that? So then you can also add user registration. So I think this one, you can leave this one as it is, so you don't need to worry. We'll talk about this one later. So basically, that is what I want you to look into today. So once you finish, click on publish, okay? So once you click on publish, always publish your work, okay? It's very, very important. Then it's going to show you this particular code. Copy this code, okay? This is very, very important. This step is very, very important, okay? Copy what is given to you here, okay? So after you copy that, you need to go and create a page to put that form on the page. So some of you already started creating a page, you know how to do that, or you can put it on the page that you've created already, or you create a new page, okay? So you go to page, add new page, okay? So once you add a new page, or you go to your page that you've already add, so, and you can then insert, click on that, and insert what you've got. Okay, as you can see, I just cannot, let me do that again. So right click, paste, okay? So you just click on there. You can put a title, let's say the title is registration. Okay, and you can then paste it. Okay, so that shows the form, okay? And then you also need to publish your form, okay? So that is that. Let me close this one. So you need to publish it, okay? So let's click on publish. I'm going to publish my page now. Okay, let me view the page now. So it said you've already logged in. So if I have not logged in, so you're going to see it. So let me log out now. You're going to see registration in place, okay? Let's see. Okay, can you see that is a form to register? Okay, so that allows you to register, and that's it. So you can do different things. So let me go back again to my WP admin. So okay, and I say formatter again. So and I want to create another thing. Okay, create a form. So this form now, I can say maybe it's contact us. If you want to contact us, to you can say contact us page. Okay, you can click on that. And what do you want to call your page? Or let's say contact page. Okay. So that will create a contact us page for you. It's got your name, your email address, phone number. You can do the same thing that I've done before if you want to add other thing. So to say, oh, what do I want? I think I've got phone number, I've got email. So let's say I want the person to add website, okay? So I can insert website, okay? And that example like that, you can click and apply. It's going to have that website. You can move things across, okay, around like that. So like that, you can change whatever you want to change, you can do that, okay? So as you can see like that, or if you want this one like that. So yeah, so you can move things and you can change things like that. Okay, so once you finish, like I said, ensure that you publish, okay? Okay, so now this is a form for this particular one. You copy that and you paste it somewhere, okay? And you paste it into your form as well. So that's what to do. So the next thing I want to say, so let's go again, create another one. So create, So now let's say we want to create a post, okay? Click on that. So my new post. So you can give any name that you want, okay? So click on that. So this time around, you can see
hurry up.
Okay, so you can insert as many as possible. Yes, say my name. I want to insert lots of things like that.
Hurry up.
Okay, so and you can insert. So you can now label it. Okay, so what is the name? You can change the name, whether you want it to be full name. Okay, like that. You can change it like that. So as you can see, that's changed to full name. Let's say this text also, you can change it to maybe date of birth. Yeah, date of birth will be calendar. Okay, we add calendar now. Let's say this will be age or something like that. Okay, and you can put that. So let's add calendar. I see, is there any calendar? Date picker, right? So you can see.
I cannot find the format on mine.
Sorry.
I cannot find the format of.
Okay, I'll show you once again. 1 minute. So okay, you need to use this account. Okay, you need to use the account. This is very important. Okay, so I know some of you have started using your own personal account that's been created for you. Okay, so all right. Okay, so you copy that and you create a new page. Okay, create a new page. Okay, and you paste it on that page. So let's say this is my form, and I'll paste this one now. So that is the form, right? And you can click on publish. Okay, so let's view the page now. So that is the page. Okay, as you can see, it's got that. You can choose the image. You can, yeah. So that's what we've been able to do now. So okay, all right.
Are we gonna do this now?
Yeah, you are allowed to do it. I know some people already started doing it. Okay, so let me see what other people have done. So, okay.
Yeah.
So I know some guys already started. Yeah. So let's see pages. Okay. So let's see. I think. Okay. Okay, let's go to Formator. We see some of the forms here as well. Okay, we can see some of the forms. So well done. So this is Jamie's one. Okay, and this is mine. So well done for that. So if you click on edit, we can check that. Okay, so this is good. Okay, so if you review, let's preview that one. So this is one by Demi. Okay, well done for that. Yeah, this is good. Okay, so you can now do any form that you want to do. Just let your imagination go wild. Do you get it now? So next week you're going to come and show us what you've done on this one. Okay. So that is what we're going to do today. Let me also check the other ones as well. So I think the formatter, let's go back. Okay, so let's see other forms that anyone has done. Okay, this is contact us page. Let's check that. Let's check this one as well. Check, think, Okay. Okay, all right. So this is another one from another person. This is from Daniela. Okay, so you can add your fields to it. Okay, all right. So you can practice along. Before next week. So when we come back next week, we're going to see the form that you guys have done. Do wonderful forms. You can do Google Forms, different forms that you want to do, like form for your registration in school, form to actually register for a course, form to even you can do form to like a check as well. You know, a check is a form. How much do you want to withdraw? How much do you have? What's your name? What's your bank account? Something like that.
What do you write?
Sorry?
What do you write to get on here?
Okay, I'm going to do that again. Okay, so this link, when you go to this link, let me sign out.
Can you put it on in the chat?
Okay, I'm going to do that. Okay, 1 minute.
Excuse me.
It's the same link that we've been using. Okay.
Excuse me, what is the username and password for it? Because I might put the 5 and admin.
Okay, I'm going to send it again to you on the chat now. Okay. Okay, so I've sent the username and password to you. Okay, so I'm going to log out now and do it again. Okay, so you go to this link. Okay, you press that. So hold on, I think I'm expecting that to give me a login. So let me close this.
Excuse me, I did it, but it's not working.
Okay, I'm going to put it through once again.
I have one attempt.
Okay, so this is what you need to do from here. So that should give you this. So you put the username, admin, the password I've already sent to you. Okay, so you put the password there. So and okay, so that is there. So anybody can use the username and password. Okay, so once you've logged in like that, okay, then what you need to do is click on formatter. Okay, click on formatter. Once you click on formatter, so and then you will see forms. Okay, so you click on forms. So once you click on forms, then you can decide what form you want to create. So you click on forms. Let's say I want to create a form for check. Okay, I want to do like a bank. Okay.
This is no destination.
Okay, I think my internet is a bit.
Yeah, you're breaking.
Someone just created this, so let's about. Yeah, I think my internet is dragging now. Okay, so 1 minute. Hello? Hello?
Hello, yeah, we can.
Okay, all right, cool. Can you still hear me? Because I think my internet is lagging.
Yes, we can
Okay.
still hear you.
All right, cool.
We can hear you.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right, like I said,
we
okay.
can hear you, but
Okay, brilliant. Thank you. So, like I said, you click on Forminator. Okay, Forminator. You click on the Forminator, and then you click on Create. Okay.
we don't have Formator.
And then what do you
Forminator. If you go here, you will see once you get there. So you scroll down. This is the Forminator here. Forminator. Okay. So you need to use this link I sent to you. Don't use your own link, okay? Use this link, okay? And click on Forminator, okay? So use this link I sent out, okay? So click on Forminator and click on Forms, okay? Once you click on Forms, then you click on Create, okay?
It's codified, that's fine.
So create, okay? Let's use blank now, blank, because I want to create an app for a bank, okay? So, and I'm gonna say blank, okay? And I'm gonna say, okay, what is my, it's gonna be bank.
1 mile, turn left, and then turn left.
So you can also create opening a bank account or something like that, but I want to say withdraw, okay? So if you want to withdraw money from your bank, so this form, you use it to withdraw money, okay? So you can say create, okay? So now we insert, okay? The first thing that I want to insert your name, okay? And we also add number as well, because we want to know how much you want to withdraw, okay? And I think that should be all. So, and okay, currency as well. I'm in currency. So, so let's do that. So what's your name? Your name. Sorry?
How do you get Forminator?
There's an echo coming from you. I couldn't hear what you said. So let's say this is my name. We can bring this to the side actually. Yeah, your name and your account number. Okay.
I'm sorry.
This is my name.
How do you get to Forminator?
How do you
get Forminator?
I said just on the left here. There's Forminator on the left. Okay. So yeah, going forward from here.
I tried and it's not working.
Okay, I'll come back to that. Okay, account number. I'll come back to that. Okay, sorry, 1 minute. So account number, you put your account number. So in this number now, how much do you want to withdraw? Okay, amount.
No, which one?
Okay. So amount that you want to withdraw, you can put that there. And the currency, okay? What's the currency? Maybe it's in pound or yeah. So, but sometimes you don't need the currency if you're already in the UK, okay? So you can leave that. So, okay. So let's preview that, okay? Let's see how that looks like. Preview. Okay, as you can see now, it's got my name. What's my account number? 00 blah 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 like that. Okay. Amount I want to withdraw. I want to withdraw 20 pounds. Okay. And the currency is pound. Okay. So I can go in there and I can say, okay, this is okay. Hold on. I think you can change that. Okay, hold on. I think I got that wrong actually. So I don't need this one. I will need to delete this one.
How do you get
so let me delete this particular one. Okay, let me delete this one. I think I only need the other one. Okay, amount. I can change that from currency to amount. Okay. Okay, that's what I need. Then settings, I can change the currency now, yeah, to pound. Okay, because that pound is what we use in the UK. Okay, I can change that. And you can say, what's the limit? Okay, how much can you put in there? So it's from 1 to 150. So let's say you can only withdraw 40 pounds, right? Or let's say it's 100 pounds, okay? And decimal place, you want to decimal place, you can leave that, okay? Then let's review. Let's do that and preview. You can see, right? your name, your account number, then amount that you want to withdraw, then you send. So, and instead of the sent message, we want to change this actually as well to say withdraw. Okay, so let's click on that. We can say, instead of send message, we can say this withdraw. Okay, withdraw. Okay, because we are withdrawing money. Okay, so we can click on that. So this will serve as our banking application. Okay. So we can call it a name. Let's say this is JG Bank.
How do you? Why?
Okay, let's review that and see. So, okay, you can see withdraw. Okay, so your name, DG, your account number, blah, blah, the amount that you want to withdraw, then withdraw, and that's it. So it's going to say, oh, form is not published. Okay, which is okay. So then after that, you go to submission. Okay, so you want to tell the users, okay, you actually withdraw your money. Thank you so much and everything. So that if you go to, so I think, let me leave you for this one. Yeah, next week we talk about the messages that you get and all those things. Okay, so you can do that. So once you've done that, publish your form. Okay, click on publish. So then copy that. So the next, you need to put it on a page. Okay, you need to put it on a page. That's where you are able to see it. Okay, click on pages and click on add. Okay. Okay, 1 minute, guys. So this is JG Bank. Okay. So I can say withdraw form. Okay. Okay. Then I can paste what I've copied. Okay.
So it's sad. Does every website have a bank withdrawal?
No. This is only for a bank actually. So this is my own bank now. I'm creating an app for my bank. Okay. So it doesn't have to be every bank. Okay? It doesn't have to be every website. Okay. You can do whatever you want to do. Okay. So this is, yeah, this is like a bank application. Okay. And you can click on publish. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. So yeah, that is published, and let's view the page now. Okay, so this is the bank, and this is our withdrawal form. Your name is DG, and your account number. Okay, so and the amount that you want to withdraw £10, and you click on withdraw and say, oh. So this, we're going to change this later, okay? Because this should show something like, yeah, okay, you've now sent your withdrawal and the likes, okay?
How did you do the account number?
Sorry?
How did you input the account number and amount? Because I'm trying to find it on the thing, but I can't.
Account number. Oh, okay. You can put any text, okay? Let me go back. So like, okay, where's my form? You can use another name for it, okay? So let's say insert, okay? So if I want to use another account number, so insert, just select name, okay? Or input field, okay?
So it's still not working.
What's not working?
It's not working for the login you have to write down to find it.
Okay, I'll come back to that. So 1 minute. So for account number, you can use number, you can use name, you can use input. I think everyone is okay. So let's say if I use name now, so I can insert it, right? Then after that, I can change this one to account number. So let me cancel that first, okay? So I'll do that again. This is the number. You click on that again, and you can change this to account number, okay? And you can click on apply, okay? And that's it, okay? All right, so this is where we are going to stop. Okay, has anyone got any question So next week you're going to show what you've done.
I have a question.
Okay. All right. So please do raise your hand. I will call you one after the other. Okay. So okay. Adre. Okay.
My question was, how do we get onto the page you're on right now? How do you
Okay.
get onto it?
I'll send the link to you. I think someone also sent the link. Okay. Try on the link that's been sent on the chat. Okay.
I've already.
Okay.
No.
So and you put the
Are we
username and
finished?
password. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. All right.
I am.
So can everyone be muted, please? Okay. Okay. Blessing.
What do you do if it doesn't work? The logging that was on the chat.
Okay. If it doesn't work, okay. Tell your parents, okay, and they can get to me. I can look into that. Okay. But it should work. Okay. But if it doesn't work, let your parent know. Samuel. We can't hear you if you are talking.
Yes.
So what was your question?
I wanted to share my screen.
Okay, we can do that next week, okay?
Okay.
All right, cool. Thank you. Lalu.
How do you get the Forminator?
A link has been sent to you, okay?
I can't see the link.
Check on the chat. Okay. On the chat, there's a link on the chat. So I will still send it to your parents on Telegram. So okay, I'll send to your parents on Telegram as well, so they can look into that. Okay. All right, Grace.
My question is, how do you link the form to your website page?
Okay, you copy that code that's going to give to you. Okay, so I think 1 minute. So let's see.
No, I mean, as in,
Yeah.
when you use the code, you're gonna press submit, but what happens then? Say you wanted
Okay.
to press
All right.
sign up and press it. How do you make it go to a different page?
What do you mean?
Say you made one for logging in.
Okay.
And you want to press it, and then you want the page it to go to different. How do you do that?
Oh, you want it to go to another page, right?
Yeah.
So, and okay, that means you've already put it on that page, right? You put the shortcode on the page.
How do you log in?
Yeah, it would do that automatically. You don't need to worry about that. When you click on that and you log in, it actually redirects. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it redirects if you're able to log in successfully. Okay. It does that automatically. So we can look at that next week. Okay. All right. So I think the next person. Okay, Georgie.
Yeah, so can you please tell me how you got into that WordPress?
Oh my God.
Lalu, I'm going to put you in the waiting room, okay, for a few minutes. Okay. Because I asked you to mute it, and you are not muted, okay? I'm going to put you in the waiting room, okay? So, Georgie, what was your question?
My question was that how do you get to the WordPress?
Okay, the link is already sent to you. I'll send it to your parent. Click on the link, okay? And after you click on the link, then put the username and password there. You will get to the WordPress, okay?
Yeah, but where's the link?
The link is on the chat.
Okay.
Okay, I'll send a link to Telegram as well. Okay, all right. David?
When it says name your poll, do you just put the name of your website?
Yeah, you can put the name of the form that you want to create. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Lalu?
The link's not working.
Okay, so if it's not working, can you ask your parent to assist you, because it should work actually? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right, cool. All right, so this is where we're going to stop. Next week we'll look at it again. So you guys make sure that, okay, you do some forms like the banking app that I've just done, like that. You can do registration form. You can do form to kind of start swimming class. You can do form to do different things that you can do forms about. So there are a lot of things that you can use form to. So I want to see a lot of great things that you will do with the forms. So create your form, put it on the page, okay? If you have any issue, let your parents know. They can put on the chat, okay? So then I can resolve it for you before that day, okay? All right, so I think this is where we're going to stop. So next week, we're gonna do a demo first, then we'll go into, breakout room as well. All right, thank you so much, everyone. So I will see you guys next week, and thank you so much, Abimbola, for helping out today. So I'm really grateful. Thanks. All right, I will see you guys again next week. Bye everyone. Bye.
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 Bye. And thank you for the coding class today.
Bye.
And thank you.
It was good.
Bye,
Bye,
everyone.
everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
I'm gonna miss this class.
Bye.